Hi everyone, how's it going? I am good, and you? I am Amin and welcome to Learn Arabic with Amin. Today we'll continue talking about Standard Fusha Arabic Greetings Part 2. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the subscribe button and hit bell button and put comment in the comment section, and don't forget to thumbs up. So let's start. In part 2, we'll start talking about thanks or thank you. Thank you or thanks, we have three families of thanks or thank you in standard Arabic conversation. First one is shukran. Shukran. Shukran, it means thanks. Shukran is general standard one. You can use it for male or female or a group. Shukran, thanks. Shukran, thanks. Now let's talk about the reply to shukran. In standard Fusha Arabic, the reply is afwan, afwan, afwan. Shukran, afwan. Shukran, afwan. Afwan means you are welcome. In English, you are welcome. But I should say something here, something very important. Afwan doesn't mean welcome when you are welcoming a guest. Afwan only means welcome after shukran or after thank you. This is a very important note. Let me repeat it again. Afwan, it means welcome, but only after shukran or after thanks. It doesn't mean welcoming a guest or welcoming someone beloved is coming to you. Okay? So this is afwan. Now shukran, afwan. So this is the first family of thanks and the reply to it. Now let's go to the second family. Second family is shukran lak. Shukran lak. Shukran lak means thank you only for male. Shukran lak. Thank you for male. The second way in the second family is shukran laki. Shukran laki. It means thank you only for female. Shukran laki. Third one of the second family is shukran lakum. Shukran lakum. Shukran lakum. Shukran lakum means thank you all. Thank you for a group or for two or more people. So until now we talked two families. First one, shukran alone and afwan. This is for all. Second family is shukran lak for male, shukran laki for female, and shukran lakum for a group. Let's talk about the replies. Replies are afwan lak, afwan laki as a reply to shukran laki, afwan lak is a reply to shukran lak, afwan lakum is a reply to shukran lakum. You can say afwan alone. Afwan alone, it's also standard general. Sometimes no need to say afwan lak, afwan laki, afwan lakum. If you want to say it, it will be very nice. But if you say afwan alone, it's enough. It's okay also. So let's talk now about the third family of thanks or thank you. Third family for male is ashkuruk. 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 This one, thank you for a male. What is the reply? You can say afwan or afwan lak. Second one of the third family is ashkuruki. Ashkuruki. It means thank you for a female. Ashkuruki. What is the reply here? Afwan laki or only afwan, as we said before. Okay? Now the third one is ashkurukum. Ashkurukum. It means thank you all. This one is this one is thank you for a group of people. Thank you all. And the reply also عفوا alone, عفوا, because it's general as we said, or you can say عفوا لكم. So let's make a small review here. Thank you. In thank you we have three families. First family is shukran alone, and the reply is عفوا alone. Okay, this is the first family. Second family, you can say shukran lak for male, shukran laki for female, shukran lakum for a group. And what are the replies? Afwan alone or Afwan lak for male, Afwan laki for a female, Afwan lakum for a group. The third family is ashkuruka, ashkuruka or ashkuruk or ashkuruka. Same. Don't be confused. Ashkuruka or ashkuruk. This one is for male. The reply, as we said, Afwan or Afwan lak. For a female, ashkuruki. And reply, as we said also, Afwan general or Afwan laki. For a group is ashkurukum. And the reply is Afwan or Afwan lakum. So this is the story. This is the full story for thank you in standard Fusha Arabic. Let's continue now. Now, let's talk about welcome. It's not welcome, afwan. No, it's another welcome. Let me explain that. When you are welcoming a guest or beloved one is coming to you. For example, I came to your house and I am knocking the door. Toc, toc, toc. You open the door. What you will say? You will say one of these sentences. First one, and it's the most common one, is Ahlan wa sahlan. It means welcome. Ahlan wa sahlan. It means welcome. Now, the second one is Ahlan. Only Ahlan, without wa sahlan. Ahlan. Ahlan. This is the second one. It means also welcome. You can say Ya ahlan wa sahlan. Ya ahlan wa sahlan. That one, it's like greater than ahlan wa sahlan. Ya ahlan wa sahlan. Ya ahlan wa sahlan. Fourth one, you can say also Ya ahlan. Ya ahlan. It's also greater than what? Ahlan. But all of them mean welcome. When you are welcoming a guest or welcoming a beloved one or welcoming anyone is coming to you. Now, these all are general, standard. What I mean about that, again, I mean about that you can use it for male, female and a group. So for example, ahlan wa sahlan is for male or female or group. It can be fit with anyone. But let's be more specific here. If you want to use it only for male or only for female or only for a group, what we should add? What is the change? For male, we should add bik or bika. Bik. We should add bik for male. For female, you should add biki. For a group, you should add bikum. Let's make an example here. Ahlan wa sahlan bik. What does this mean? It means welcome to you for a male. Second one is ahlan wa sahlan biki. What does this mean? Welcome to you for a female. Ahlan wa sahlan bikum. What does this mean? Welcome to you for a group of people. So, biki, bikum. Male, female, a group. You can add it after welcome to be more specific that you are talking to a male or a female or a group. So this is our class for today. So today we talked about thank you and the different replies to it. and different forms of it. And we talked about welcome. So stay tuned with us and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, put your comment in comment section, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. So see you in the next video. Salam.